Right, here we go. I'm opening up Poser 7. This is one of the tools that I use. Sometimes it could take a little while to load, but it depends on the operating system that you're using. And at the moment I need to upgrade my memory, although I've got a pretty fast processor. Right, this is the main screen. We're going to get rid of this character here because we don't really want him. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of my Catgirl characters. Just right that, yeah, we'll have that one. Wait for it to pop up. Right, so as you can see, you can look at it from all different angles by using the view tools, and you can also add clothing. So what we'll do is we'll go and find some clothing. Now I usually do my own clothing, so a lot of what you see is straight out of my imagination on the figures. So, but today, for your benefit, we're going to use these clothing that come with one of the characters, and we'll bring up select the clothing that we want, put it on, add it to the character, then go to figure, and I can't figure what the name is now. Oh well, never mind. Because I'm doing a voiceover on this, I can't figure what the name is for the setting that you select. But anyway, you have to conform the clothing to the figure. So as you can see, when the clothing comes out, it's not quite lined up with the figure. So, and if you want to move the figure around afterwards, it's easy to do. You can use the tools at the top, or you can use the dial tools at the side. So I prefer to use the tools at the top. And the other thing we can do is we can go to symmetry, and we'll do right to left. Usually I do like right to left, and it's left to right I needed, or something like that. So we're okay with that. And there are, the right side is copied to the left side. You don't always have to pose it yourself, you can select poses. Now, the poses I've got here are for chibi, and so they're not quite the Alco 3 character poses. You also got the Victoria poses. See, they don't quite go with this character. You may have to modify them a bit. I think the chibi ones are more suited to this character, because I haven't found any poses for this one yet, and it just takes quite a while to pose it yourself. But then again, it's worth it if you're doing a special type of look. So now I quite like that look. So just change the angle that we're viewing it at. I will zoom in. Move it to reline it in the screen. I need to zoom out a little bit. There we go, that seems about right. What we're going to do now is we're going to render it. Now again, depending on your system, the rendering can take some time, especially if you're using, especially the type of rendering you're doing. I'm using the Firefly rendering, which is the highest quality rendering you can get, and I've got it set up quite high as it is, so there we go. Rendering quite nice. Now once that's rendered, there's a little icon you go to along the top box with the baby face on. Click that and up pops a box with your rendering picture in. And when you close the box, it asks you if you want to save it. So yes, we're going to save it. You can change what type of file you want it saved as. So like a JPEG, or you're going to save it as a BTN. So we've done that. We can close the program now. No, we don't want to save this. That's one of my drawings I've done earlier, which is on one of my other YouTube videos. You can see the speed drawing being made. Right, now if you go into my computer, my computer, select the picture that you've drawn, and we'll just drag this up to the top of the page because it goes up full screen then. And over on the right hand side is the preview piece, so you can click the preview and there you are, you can see the preview on your page while you're drawing. And what I'll do is I'll do a speed drawing for it, and you can see the end result. It won't look exactly like that because that is just a reference. So I'll be back in a minute.
Welcome to the Dance Pleasure Dome.
There we go, the original model that we used, and done our drawing, speed drawing from it, and there's the speed drawing all fully coloured in and everything. I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.